Hi, my name is Jazira and I'm a senior here at Florin High School. Ever since I was in elementary school, actually, I knew that I wanted to go to a four-year university because that was just the goal that I had in mind. I want to major in nutrition and dietetics. Sac State is the perfect option for me due to their CombatU program and the environment that they offer there. CombatU is actually a new program that Sac State has to offer where you could be a part of wrestling, MMA, kickboxing, jiu-jitsu. I would really like to go there for that specific program. I wasn't really a part of anything in high school. My only thing was going to school, doing my classes, and then going straight home after that and going to do my extracurricular activity. That's when my AP history teacher, my sophomore year, told us that he would be starting the first ever flag football team here at Florin High School. He saw potential in me and told me I see you as a leader and I want you to be a part of this team. I took that next step because I wanted to be a part of something that was just more than myself and to be a part of the school, right? So I did it, and I am so happy that I did because after that I started to be more a part of Florin. I then did wrestling and just build more confidence and, this person that I've never thought I could be, Of course, I want to thank my parents for supporting me and believing in me. My first ever teacher who got me into this, this whole spiral of my passion and what I love to do is Mr. Schrader, or at James Fredham Middle School. Coach Keith, Coach Abe, and then I want to thank Coach Harris for believing in me when I didn't. I'm looking forward to just being at Sac State, to be a part of the CombatU program, and I am excited to meet new coaches and new teammates and stuff like that.